In this viral vending machine video, let's talk about the benefits of the bridge page marketing strategy. Bridge page marketing is a strategy that uses an intermediary web page, a bridge page, to guide visitors from an ad, social media post, or another traffic source to the main offer. These pages serve as a transition, warming up the audience before they reach a sales or product page. There are any number of bridge page strategies you can employ immediately, and through testing and tweaking, you get to hone in on the one or ones that perform best. Because bridge pages pre-qualify and educate visitors, this can make them more likely to convert when they reach the final offer. As this practice bumps up your bridge page strategy's performance, obviously you'll want to continue testing through customized variations to continue optimizing the bridge page strategy's performance. Understanding your target audiences will help fine-tune and tailor the messaging and offers to specific customer needs. If you're in direct sales, an affiliate email marketer, or list builder, implementing a bridge page strategy is definitely something you might want to consider. The new Viral Vending Machines offers a wide variety of bridge page strategy options. 1. Through use of our free funnel page builder, and 2. Through our new custom bridge page creation services. To learn more about both, create your free Viral Vending Machine membership by visiting the new viralvendingmachine.com, and we'll meet you on the bridge.